Alright, so we're starting the Singus white color on the perimeter, and what he does is he shoots the underneath side of the perimeter, making sure he has thorough coverage, obviously. That's the portion that you'll see on the inside near the headliner. Singus white is the traditional white of a Land Cruiser hardtop. It's a cream type color. It's not a stark white at all. It's cream, and it's a forgiving color. It's not bright at all. We do all of our tops that color.